The question is, a block of mass m is placed on a smooth inclined wedge ABC of inclination theta as shown in the figure. The wedge is given an acceleration a towards the right. The relation between a and theta for the block to remain stationary on the wedge is, the solution is. In order to answer this question, we must first resolve all the forces as shown here in the diagram so as to solve the question and obtain the answer. Now we are given with theta being the angle of inclination, making this angle as theta and also making this angle as theta being the vertically opposite angles. Now let N be the reaction force. Therefore, resolving the force on the x-axis and y-axis, we get N sine theta on the x-axis and N cos theta on the y-axis. We also know that the gravitational force mg will be acting in the downward direction, and we assume a pseudo force ma in order to keep this stationary. Now, in a non-inertial frame, n sine theta will be equal to ma and n cos theta will be equal to mg. That is, the upward and the downward forces are equated, and the equations and the forces on the left and the right side are equated. Dividing them, we get tan theta equal to a upon g, giving us acceleration as g tan theta and giving us the answer as option 1.